Hey everyone, welcome back to another wild adventure. Today we're diving into the incredible world of pythons, those slithering giants that have fascinated and sometimes, let's be honest, freaked out many of us. So what exactly is a python? Well, pythons are a type of non-venomous snake belonging to the family Pythonidae. They're known for their incredible constricting power, where they squeeze their prey until, well, let's just say they're ready to eat. Speaking of their meals, pythons aren't picky eaters. They feast on a variety of animals. Smaller pythons might grab a rat or a bird, while the larger ones can take down creatures as big as deer or even crocodiles. Yes, you heard that right, crocodiles. And how do they hunt? Pythons are ambush predators. This means they don't waste their energy chasing their prey around. Instead, they lie in wait, perfectly camouflaged, before striking with lightning speed. They have heat-sensing pits along their jaws that help them detect warm-blooded prey, even in the dark. Now let's talk size. Pythons can get huge. The reticulated python, for example, is the longest snake in the world, with some recorded at over 30 feet long. But don't worry, not all pythons are quite this gigantic. Their life cycle is also quite fascinating. Female pythons are exceptional mothers. They lay eggs, unlike some other snakes which give birth to live young. The mothers will coil around their eggs, providing warmth and protection against predators until they hatch. This process can take about 2 months. In terms of habitat, pythons are primarily found in the warm tropical areas of Africa, Asia and Australia. They thrive in rainforests, grasslands and even swamps. Their ability to adapt to various environments is just another thing that makes them so mesmerizing. Their body structure is also tailored to their lifestyle. Covered in scales, pythons have a muscular build that aids in their constriction method of hunting. Their skin is also an amazing feature. It comes in various patterns and colors that help them blend into their surroundings. Nature's own camouflage. So next time you're out hiking or watching a documentary and you spot one of these magnificent creatures, take a moment to appreciate them from a safe distance, of course. They're not just fear-inducing. They're an important part of our world's ecosystem, helping to control populations of other species and maintain balance. That's it for today's adventure into the wild world of pythons. Make sure to like, subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of our wildlife explorations. See you next time when we dive even deeper into the mysteries of nature.